Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in again to our Uptime Systems YouTube channel. Today I want to talk to you about the importance of UPS maintenance. Now, obviously the purchase of a UPS is a great decision and you're on the right track to the correct power solution. The next stage to talk about and to consider is UPS service and maintenance to increase the longevity of the UPS system and to make sure it's running in optimum order. Now, there's a number of things to consider in terms of this. What response time do I need? 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours next business day? Which parts does it include? What term and period, maybe 3 years, 5 years, and a various different range of considerations to look at there. But the reliability meter overall significantly increases when you service your UPS system at least once per annum. We'd recommend up to 4 times per annum, depending on the application and the individual environment that the UPS is within. And look, for advice, please contact our team at Uptime Systems for all the greatest advice for on-site services to increase the longevity of your UPS system and have the best overall outcome and experience with the reliability of your UPS. Thank you.